find domain and range of the real valued function f of x is equal to square root of x minus 2. Now the square root function is defined only if the term inside the square root is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so here the domain is equal to the x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. This implies x is greater than or equal to 2, and therefore the domain of this function is 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. Now for range we can use here algebraic as well as graphical method. We know that. Now first graphical and algebraic method. So all of we know that the graph of y is equal to square root x is the graph of this function. This is the graph of the square root function y is equal to square root x, and therefore the graph of the function y is equal to x minus 2, that is in place of x we put here x minus 2. So we want to shift a graph through horizontally right through through 2 units. So here if it is 2, then the graph of this function is this. So here the range of this function is again 0 to infinity. You can observe the y axis represent the range of the given function, and therefore range is equal to 0 to infinity. Now next you can use algebraic method also to find the range. Method 2, method second, we can obtain the range of the given function by using algebraic method. So first, now given y is equal to square root of x minus 2. So the first solution is the y greater than or equal to 0. Since x minus 2 square root function is always positive, and therefore the one solution is what? Y greater than or equal to 0. Now we want to solve this equation for x. So if you square on both sides, then y square is equal to x minus 2. This implies x is equal to y square plus 2. Now this function is defined for every real number, and therefore here we get y is equal to a real number set. Okay, so or domain of this function is what? The set of all real number. Now if you take the intersection of these two solutions, the first is y greater than or equal to 0, and second is what? The whole real line, and therefore the intersection of these two solution is 0 to infinity, and therefore the range of the given function, you can say here the range of the given real valued function is 0 to infinity. Similarly, if it is y is equal to under root of x plus 2 is the given equation, and we want to determine what is the range and domain of the given function, then for domain the term inside the square root should be greater than or equal to 0, and therefore this implies x is greater than or equal to minus 2, and therefore the domain of the given function is minus 2 to infinity. This is what a domain of the given real valued function. Now you can use a graphical method. All of we know that what is the graph of the square root function. The graph of the square root function is, this is the graph of the square root function. So what is the graph of the square root of x plus 2? Now we want to shift the graph y equal to root x through 2 units left side, okay, horizontally left side. So here if it is minus 2, then this is the graph of y is equal to under root of x plus 2. Now you can observe the range of the given function. Y axis represent range of the given function, and therefore range is equal to 0 to infinity. Now you can use algebraic method also algebraic method. Now given y is equal to square root of x plus 2, the one solution is y greater than or equal to 0. Since it is a square root function, it is always greater than or equal to 0. So one solution is y greater than or equal to 0. Next, if you square on both sides, then it is equal to y square is equal to x plus 2. This implies x is equal to y square minus 2, and therefore the second solution is what? The range of the given function is equal to what? A real line, whole real line. This function is defined for every value of every real number, and therefore the second solution is what? Y is equal to r. So one solution is a real line and second solution is what? Greater than or equal to 0, and therefore if you take the intersection of these two solutions, then you will get the range of the given function is equal to what? 0 to infinity. Thank you.